Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use a high-low gauge. First, identify your high-low gauge, which is a specialized tool for measuring internal misalignment between two pipe sections before welding. This crucial step ensures a strong, defect-free weld every time. We will cover its essential components, proper placement techniques, and how to read the measurements with precision. Mastering this tool significantly improves overall weld quality and job site safety. Let's explore the parts of your high-low gauge. You will notice a main body, a movable plunger, and a lock nut to secure measurements. The gauge usually has two primary scales, one dedicated to internal pipe misalignment and another for weld reinforcement. The internal misalignment scale commonly reads in small increments, often 1/64 of an inch, ensuring very precise readings for critical applications. Before taking any measurements, proper preparation is key. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the inside edges of both pipe sections you intend to join, removing all rust, dirt, or scale. Next, position the gauge by resting its fixed legs firmly against the inner wall of one pipe. It is essential to ensure the gauge is held perfectly perpendicular to the pipe's circumference to prevent skewed readings. Now, let's take the actual measurement. With the fixed legs against the first pipe, carefully depress the gauge's plunger until its tip firmly contacts the inner wall of the second pipe. Once the plunger is stable, tighten the lock nut to secure the measurement in place. You can then read the value directly from the high-low scale, which clearly indicates the precise amount of internal misalignment between the two pipe sections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.